Good morning, diamonds and beams. Y'all hear that? Mine is the kettle going off. Y'all, do y'all hear this beautiful noise? My son is in school, and I have 7 beautiful hours to myself. Woohoo! So excited. Now I'm gonna go take a shower, get dressed, uninterrupted. And she's back. Like, child. Like what? What? Okay. I just got bored. I was bored, and I'm trying to update my TikTok playlist. It's pretty lit, by the way. My man. Sorry, that just popped into my head. My man, he knows not to play certain songs around me because what I lack in ass, I make up with titties. Just saying. Anyways, with that being said, there was some music playing. He ain't around, so I was shaking what I had left and what my mama gave me. Sorry, mama. Y'all gotta see my drafts, cause I have so many drafts. I don't know how many is in here. How many is in here? Can I do that? So these are my drafts on TikTok. A little behind the scenes, so you guys know. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 today that are already in drafts. Okay. These are all my drafts that I haven't posted. And when I do feel like I need to post, I just post one of my drafts. Now you know my secret. I don't get all done up. I'm just like, So, there's that. Yeah. My baby. My baby's in school right now. Like, I just saw one of my kids. Where my kid at? Okay, here's one of my son. So you saw my sons. This one is mine. Here's another one.
2 steps forward, and both of your parents are still married. Take 2 steps forward if you grew up with a father figure in the home. Take 2 steps forward if you had access to a private education. Take 2 steps forward if you had access to a free tutor growing up. Take 2 steps forward if you've never had to worry about your cell phone being shut off. Take 2 steps forward if you've never had to help mom or dad with the bills.
Okay, y'all. So I'm just putting the final touches. I'm just putting the final touches on my chicken. This is what it looks like so far. I'm going to add a little bit of this, so bear with me. Usually my son likes to help mommy. Just put some of this on here, and I just put some of that on there. And I'm just gonna mix. Usually my son likes to help, but he is in school. One more. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the oven. First of all, I'm still going. Cooking, doing laundry. Y'all, it's just about done. Look, that is done, and it's smelling fucking phenomenal, if I do say so myself. Here's the chicken. If my son don't eat that, I give up. I give up cooking. 'Cause I've been working my ass off since I got back. So now I gotta fix this a plate. It is almost time to go pick him up.